Okay, what is going on? It's your boy Big Bear, and today we're playing some Resident Evil 4. I think it's the Chainsaw demo, the remake. But I never. Okay, so when it comes to the Resident Evil, I've never played any of. Oh, okay, hold on. I have never played the original ones. Not the first one, the second one, the third one, or the fourth one. Like, not even the remastered ones. The only ones that I've played so far was the. I think the fifth, sixth, and seventh, and then Biohazard. So I'm all over the place. Like, but I kind of know the series because it's not related to the movies. But I know like I kind of know the story, kinda, not so much. But I heard this was really good. And oh, wait, hold on, let me see. I don't know. I'm trying to see where is a good spot. Well, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I do have a bunch of junk in the back, so excuse that. But I don't know if I can. Can I play on? Oh, I can. That's fire. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and like jump straight into it. I never played the fourth one, not the original nor the remake. Um, if I do like it, I'll probably get it. We'll see, and maybe I can make a series off of it. But yeah, I do. I don't know if it's the fifth one, but I remember playing as
September 30th,
Chris.
1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out.
If I seen right,
Thanks
yeah,
to
we
the
play as
bioweapons
Leon.
created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky.
That's crazy, man.
I was asked later to join a top secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything.
The graphics are good.
If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain. Even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Damn, they're really detailed. That's nice. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident. An unprecedented... Bruh. Hold on. Unprecedented... Unprecedented... Bro, I know how to say it, okay? Unprecedented... Shut up, okay? Biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. Damn. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests that the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. It's a big ass mission, bro. Oh, we get straight into it. No fucking... Okay, so this sensitivity is kind of booty cheeks. Hold on. We do balanced. I don't like motion blur. It's still kind of glitchy. I'm trying to figure out the right graphics because some games are, I'm gonna be honest, my graphics card is kind of booty cheeks. I know, I should have done all this before, what is this? Interesting ring center. Oh, that's kind of cool. Hmm. Seems good right now, so we'll just... So can I... Oh, I can run. Oh, okay, bet. Crouch. Oh, crouch is circle? Okay. The fuck is that? So far, it looks pretty good. I like it.
How far could he have gone?
I don't think when it comes to streaming, the games could be in like high performance. It's weird because if I'm not streaming, I could put it to the max. But, oh, that's disgusting. Damn, this man got chewed up.
Ugh.
Gosh, just, okay. Well, that's not creepy at all. Maybe, is there some... No? Oh, okay, so he runs with R1 and the left stick. Someone here.
Anyone home?
What? Bro, that's how you make yourself known, bro. Come on, Leon. Oh, hell no. I don't know where to go. The hallway or this door right here. I'll do this door right here. That's barricaded over there. What the hell is this? What does that say? Crew charm. Judgment is nigh. Can I keep it? No, I don't think so. Bruh, you can't... Is that the door? I don't see no one. Bro, I can't bring out my gun? Come on now. I feel defenseless, man. That's awesome. Okay. Nothing yet. this needs a lock. No? No loot? Alright. Oh, fuck no. Bro, I knew someone, hell no.
Sorry to barge in like this.
What's he saying? Oh, he's speaking, what is that, Spanish?
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Yo, that man is like mind controlled right now. Oh, was that the police officer he's looking for? Yeah. Can I do anything? Oh. Bro, you cracked his neck. Yo, that was a clean roundhouse. My man was not playing no jokes.
This is not good.
Hunter's Lodge key. Okay, so now I got... Oh wait, okay, so that's my inventory. But I don't want, I want to put this away. Like, do I need it? Oh, okay, that's how we do it. Bro, should I just... Make sure he just... Yo, look at his neck, my man. Oh my god.
Man, that stinks.
Bro, there's hair in there and everything. That's disgusting. Can I break this? No? Okay. So where do I go? Back outside? Mario Fernandez? That man dead. I don't know why we saving him. Gotta check no one's behind me, you know what I'm saying? Can I not? Oh, I can't aim while crouch? That's nasty. Okay, hold on. I want to know how I can he, like, roll or something? I feel like another jump scare is about to come out.
Hey.
I told you he was dead, bro. And
I read you. What's your situation?
dude, we're fucked.
What the hell's going on?
Why do I need to... Who's here? Why is it telling me I gotta...
What was that?
Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell no.
No fucking way.
Shank, shank, shank. What's up? Bro, how? Get off of me,
It just keeps getting worse.
oh, heck, nah. You done messed up. Don't ever touch me. What is it? Oh, can I parry? Damn, I just wasted 2 bullets. I could have just shanked that man the whole time. Oh, he took my health, though. Oh, I only have like, okay. There's a bar at the under my knife. I guess that's how many times I can escape grabs. Where they at? I don't know if I should go for the kill, because what if they have loot? Oh, fuck that. Shit. I ain't no hero. There you go. There you go.
Bruce, this is Gondor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then.
This kind of reminds me of Resident Evil Village.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are...
Better get out of there, dog.
Talk later.
Bro, you can't.
Let myself out.
They man saw 3 people. He said, nah, I'm out. He said, I'd have done the same thing. That man on some... That man... He on some crack. So that's it? They ain't gonna chase me? That's a big ass bird. Oh, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. Give me that. Oh, I can save? Oh, I can't. I was about to say. Gunpowder? Oh, okay, I can craft bullets. Bet. That's disgusting. Damn, they ate the wolf, bruh. I saw that.
¡Agarradlo! ¡Cazadlo!
Oh, hell no.
¡Voy a hacer picadillo!
Woo! Woo!
¡Puede ser!
Bit! Besetas. The fuck is that? You want some too, dog? Oh, he ate that. Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed again. Oh. Get out of my face. Oh, I gotta get better at my aiming. Oh, do I got 11? I gotta start using my knife more. I think I can parry. That's what it is, right?
¡Ahí está!
Shake, shake. Oh, I parried! Get out of my face! Get out of my face! Gosh. Let's go! Flash grenade? Oh, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that. Red herb too? Hell yeah. Oh, okay. Nice, nice. We looking good. We looking good. Oh, that's nasty. They just closed behind me like that? That's... Oh, snap. Oh, is that one of the... Damn. They turned my man into fried chicken. That'll suck, man. That would be horrible to go out that way. I'm killing that dude first or killing my homie. Then they got old ladies out here too? I just walk up or what? There's no way I could take all of them out, right? This way, this way, this way. Oh, there's two people? Give me that herb. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, there's that lady. Oh, I'm about to shank this girl right here. Go to sleep.
Here we go.
Oh! 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 They're all over the place! Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Get out of my face. Ooh! Ooh! Get out of my face! Oh! Oh, I gotta heal. Oh, I gotta heal. Go, Leon. Go, Leon. Well, it's restore almost 3 times as much health in a single herb. Okay. A healing spray that will fully restore your health. Okay, we'll use that. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, a hand grenade? Give me that. Oh, shit. Man, who asked you to come in here? Oh. Oh. Go, 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 go. Oh! Run, 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 run. Can I get in here? Oh, I can't get in here. Bro, I don't know where to go. Oh, bro. This is bad. This is bad. Run, Leon, run. Ooh! Oh, nah. Look at his eyeballs. Oh, we... Bro, what? Oh, the music. Woo! Woo! Run! Woo! Oh! Get out of my face! Get out of my face! Okay. 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 There we go. There we go. Is that it?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Bro, we're done. We're done for. Oh, they're going upstairs.
My lucky day.
Okay, barricade this. There we go. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Don't mind if I do.
Oh, nice.
Kick that out. There we go. Where he at? Where he at? Come on. You don't want this. You don't want this. You don't want this. Ooh. I'm out of bullets. I'm out of bullets.
Sorry.
Boom. Oh, get down. Get down. There we go.
You gotta be kidding me.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
No me jodas.
Huh?
What happened?
La campana. I'll give you the
Just like that, they leave us alone? Oh my gosh, guys, I am so sorry. Yo, listen. Well, I don't want to skip the scene, but at the same time, I'm lagging like crazy. Wow. So much for recording this video.
Foga. Tenemos que servir.
Well, it's not lagging anymore, but that was bad.
Al Lord Saddler Todopoderoso.
So I don't get it. Are they alive or what? That's it?
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
The man said bingo. Oh, look at his leg. Bro, I love Resident Evil. I don't know if this 4,300 good. Enemies kill 20? Sheesh! In 20 minutes? That's good. 1 kill per minute. Damn, I kind of want to play that again. I didn't really... Oh, I guess after 20 minutes it stops. Oh, it comes on the 24th? I didn't know that. I messed with that heavy. I personally thought that was awesome. It's crazy because my mother actually got me the Resident Evil movie collection, like the whole thing, like from the first movie to I think the recent one was Retribution. What was it? It's where they went to that facility like underwater. If y'all seen it, yeah, it's pretty good. But I think my favorite one had to be when they're in it was like the whole desert, the whole movie. I think they were in Las Vegas, I think. And she was just Alice was just starting to get used to her powers. I wish Alice was related to the games because dude, she is badass. But it's good to see like Leon, because Leon was in like the last movie I think of Resident Evil. So was Ada. We met Valentine. She was in the second movie, I believe. I don't think I met Chris Redfield. Oh yeah, Chris Redfield and Claire was in Afterlife or Aftermath, one of those two. But I'm really glad I got to play this because it was awesome. I'm sorry for like the lag moments. Like again, I have a crappy GPU, so sometimes when I start the games, I would have to put them in at low graphics, which kind of sucks, or 60 FPS. But it's weird because when I'm not streaming, bro, they're ultra. It's weird. I don't get it. But if you enjoy watching this, leave a thumbs up. Comment if you want to see me play anything else. I'm all down for horror games. Kind of pumps a lot of blood in me. But yeah, if you like what you saw, put a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm not as active, but you know, I'm always down to make videos whenever we're playing. I do stream consistently on Twitch, so I'll probably drop my Twitch down below if you want to follow me on there. But I appreciate it. This is Big Bear, and I'll see y'all next time, man. Drink some water too, okay? Most of y'all dehydrated. Don't lick your lips. I just saw you.